we're starting the vlog off, and that's probably Jonathan. Nope. We're waiting on him right now to come home. But yeah, starting off the vlog off randomly after work. It's 6 o'clock. Clearly I've changed because I threw on a tie-dye shirt and I can't wear that to work. My house is a mess, but that is because we're about to leave. We're gonna go on a vacation, and I have like bathing suits. Look at this. Went to Century 21 and went ham, but we went to, so oh, that's what I went for my birthday, like when I got a whole bunch of bathing suits, I got pants, all this stuff. But anyway, we're going somewhere tropical, so with a beach. Oh, I cannot wait. So I'm just waiting for Jonathan. I'm walking around my house because he told me that he was gonna be home like 20, feels like forever ago, and I was waiting outside for a hot minute. You know what, let me go outside. All right, there we go. So I am right now waiting for him to come home. He's taking forever, and we have a lot of errands that we're getting. I have to pick up like goggles. He's been talking about DEET so much. It's like something that goes in sunscreen to make sure that mosquitoes don't bite you, or you don't get brain fart, but you get what I mean. So you don't get infected by a mosquito. Oh, whatever the word is, I'll put it somewhere here. Yeah, so I'm really excited. It's a much needed vacation with everything that's been going on for the past, I want to say, year, 2 years. It feels like forever. I know everyone goes through stuff, but it's just been hitting really hard this year. So this is a well-needed trip. This lighting is beautiful. My voice, I feel like I lost it. Where'd it go? We are just waiting here for him, and yeah. I would show you all my bikinis and stuff like that too, but then you, like, I sent my niece so many pictures. She's like, yes, good one, good one, good one. So if I film while we're on vacation, you might not see them still, but I gained so much weight and I don't know why, but I feel like my face is fuller. I did put my gym membership on hold, so maybe that's another thing. I haven't been to the gym in so long, but I've been trying to do stuff at home, but it's kind of hard because every minute I got something to do. So put that on hold, and hopefully I get back in the fall with going. I love this shirt, by the way. Alright, Jay, where are you? Also, being out here reminds me that, like, I won't be out here for too much longer. I'm rocking too, but like my rocking thing. And I love this porch. Like, I won't have a porch, but I will have, like, I mean, I have a backyard, but I don't use the backyard here, like, at all, because I feel like there's so many mosquitoes. Me and my dad last year, we tried cleaning it up to not have as many mosquitoes, but it was a lot of work again. But I will be in that backyard. I like being outside. I don't like being bit, but I like being outside. And this is so, like, calming, being on my porch. I love my rug. Look how cute my rug is. You've never seen any of my videos with how I did the stenciling. I mean, oh my gosh, and I killed that. And well, that's weeds now, which is, oh, long story. And then this is dead. What the heck? It's supposed to be like indoor plant, outdoor, I don't even know. But I brought it out here and it died. I try to have a green thumb, but it's so cute. Look at my porch. I just love it so much. But I try so hard. Hello. But I try so hard to have a green thumb, and I really work really hard on it. But these two plants have been like the biggest failure of my career of gardening ever. It's like, I had a beautiful plant in this one, and I know where there's weeds growing out. Like, how does a weed get inside of a plant? And now my weeds are even dying. Usually weeds like live forever, and I'm ranting. And this is a tree that my dad loves. This one right here. Oh, can you see it? It's pink. It's beautiful. Look at that. This is a tree that they have in Georgia, or down south in general. And so I continue to rant because I'm waiting for my husband. And that's not him. Where is he? He's finally here! So I am at Harmon's, and it is the place to go when you're traveling. I would highly recommend it. Since all the crap that we're getting, and I still found myself in the hair aisle. I can't help it. Jay got his Speedos. Jay got his Speedos.
You gotta specify their goggles. They're gonna think it's like drawers.
Yeah, well,
Like
they're goggles.
like a thong or something.
That's true. See, look at this store. Whoa. To give you guys like a little tip, if you have the Bed Bath & Beyond 20% off coupon, you bring it here and you get it off your stuff too. So it's not cool. Okay, so the cool thing, like I said before, is that you can use the coupons from Bed Bath & Beyond at Harmon's. So on your phone, you could download the app. I feel like I'm an ad, but I'm not. You can download the app. I just like saving money, so
Obviously.
you like that, right? You can download the app, and then there's coupons on there, or those paper ones. They never, ever, 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 ever expire. Remember my Aunt Lori, she had got me a ton of them when we got married, and the dates were like 2005, like mad old, and I was so scared to use them, but they don't expire, so who cares? Like, there's no reason to be embarrassed. Like, there's no feeling of embarrassment when you give them it, because they don't even look at the date, they just scan it, you know? So use those coupons or pass them around to your friends. Hold on to them. And now we're on our way home.
You're going to Target,
I think.
right?
Oh no, we're going to Target because we have to pick up our medicine. So we got like a ton of like off and all that stuff. Jay, what is that called? Like when mosquitoes bite you and you get the what?
Zika.
Zika. I was saying like, I don't know what it's called before. So we're trying to avoid that, clearly. What?
I would hope so.
Yeah, so we're bringing everything that we can from the stores down there. I just can't wait. Now we're at Target. So we just left Target. Cool thing about Target is if you have that, Jonathan's seatbelt needs to be on, and there's cops right in front of us. But if you have the Target card, right? It doesn't have to be a credit card. You can just hook it up to your debit account. That's what I do. And then you get 5%. And then if you have the app and you scan, I feel like we're talking all about savings. If you scan it on your phone, you get an additional, depending upon like the item, of course, you get an additional like 15% off, 5% off, dollars off, whatever, off the things you're already buying. So it's like manufacturer coupons that are on their app. You just have to scan it on the app and then scan it. I hope I'm making sense right now, but it's just additional savings that I think everyone should take advantage of, because you're spending the money anyway. You might as well get something off. And now we're at Marshall's, so. Okay, so hey, it is the next day. It's actually the evening, got home from work. Yesterday, I got my nails done lime green. Woo! This is like my favorite color. I love green, like every single shade. And my toes, they're so cute. But anyway, I'm breaking out and it's really annoying me. We leave for vacation tomorrow morning and Jonathan is sleeping right now. My house is an absolute mess. Like a mess. Like a mess. I have to pack. I have to put laundry away. Clean. I already started cleaning the kitchen. It looks really good. Still have my birthday. Oh, my mom did this for me. So I filmed, if you didn't check out my happy birthday video, I didn't include this because my film was like what I got the clips of. My mom set this up for me, but Jonathan's birthday, look. But we're going away for Jonathan's birthday too, so I just said, let me leave it up. Our birthdays are 3 weeks apart from each other. And yeah, so I have to do my hair, prep my hair, deep condition it right now, do a face mask, because it is, did you see that? And then I have to continue to clean, pack, get ready. But I thought the cool thing too is we got these, I always have life-proof cases. Well, I've had them before, but I ordered Jonathan one and I ordered one for my new phone. So we have life-proof cases so that we can go underwater with our phones. So I think that's cool. I think that's a cool tip. Like, make sure you bring that. I got goggles, which I think is so funny. I think I showed this earlier. But yeah, I think it's so funny. We're like so old and yet we want goggles. Like, the last vacation we went on, we were actually like, dang it, we forgot goggles. Like, ugh. So this time I could not forget to bring my goggles. All right, so let me do a face mask and deep condition my hair because it is time. Whoa. I don't know how this angle is. It's different, right? I'm going to be doing, I use this all the time. This is the mask that I use, this buddy. I've been trying out the clay mask, the Aztec one. It hurts like a, yeah, it hurts so bad that I have to go back to this one, even though I felt like that one worked a lot. Like, it worked really good, but it was painful. And then for my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. Maybe I'll do a separate video on this, on like my reviews of this line, because I have everything, everything in my shower right now for it. But it smells really nice. What I do like about Not Your Mother's is that I'm doing a review. Oh my god. But anyway, you'll get my full thoughts of this. But this is what I'm going to be using right now. Let's soak this head. Oh, and I use one of these guys. So this is from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, whatever. But these, I have a different type for my shower. But it makes sure that the hair does not go down your drain. I highly recommend that because my dad used to yell at me all the time for doing that. But yeah, good tip. And another thing that I got from when I went yesterday, well, not yesterday, the other day when I went to Harmon's, I really don't know how good this angle is, guys. These are the plastic cap for your hair so that you can deep condition. But this is a pack of 30. It's an extra large. No, an extra large. They only had one size. And it was like $3 or $4. So this is my first time using this brand. I usually get the Target ones, but I can't find them anywhere. They only had clear at Harmon's, so this is gonna have to do soon. And eventually I do want to get that heating cap one. It looks really cool. You put it in the microwave, but right now, I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so we're good. I don't know how common this is to put mask here, but I do it because lately I've been breaking out like here. Like, I've never in my life broke out like that. So this is about to get really hard in just the matter of minutes. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Ooh, the light changed. Woo! What I think I'm actually going to do is put laundry away first. Then I'll probably come back in like 20 minutes, wash this off my face, still keep this on. Really trying to think about my time right now, and then start packing. This is gonna be a long night. Right now it is 7:32. My flight tomorrow morning is at 10 a.m. so it's a 4-hour flight, so it's not too bad. Can't wait. Face is getting hard. Face is getting hard. Also, it's really hard to talk right now and I look like a zombie. While I'm looking, comment below what you guys enjoy on Netflix. If you watch Netflix, I only watch something if someone tells me to. I'm not like on Netflix like, oh, let me click on this and watch this. So let me know what you recommend and I will most likely watch it, because I don't know what to watch right now. So we're packing right now and it's 11 o'clock. 11:18. I'm so tired. I did my hair, but I realized that tomorrow morning, not tomorrow morning, whenever it is, I'm gonna hop in a pool and it's just, I should have just did braids or something like that. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Me too. Well, you took a nap. But my house is looking better.
You mad, man.
I, by myself, worked really, really hard to clean, organize, put laundry away.
Subs? She's mad.
So mad. I did it all by myself while he slept, but he did wake up for 4 a.m. I will give you that for work. Well, 5 a.m. You know,
Woke up at 4.
you are always late
You're a hater.
in the morning. But yeah, so my hair is gonna take forever to dry, so I do have to diffuse it, which kind of sucks. So far, I got my bathing suits down. Look, these are like some of the, oh, so I'm working on like what to wear for like breakfast. All right, it's wrinkly. But this is just like, you know, shorts, and I'll have my bathing suit on. It's a cover up from Zara. Okay. that was not a good showing of what I'm wearing because it's like, it looks like a hot mess. But I'm just throwing things together. This is just a pile of some of the dresses I can wear at night. Oh, and this cute romper is down here. I put my case on too. And it's my LifeProof case that only I'm excited about. Jonathan's not excited about it. I got a great deal. We're not going to tell you about the deal.
Is this video about our trip or are you just bashing me?
But, no, I'm not. I'm not. You don't even know if you're wearing a hat? You're wearing a hat?
No, I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't see why it's so hard to pack. Like, that's what happens when you wait till the last minute. That kind of sucks. Oh, look at you. Alright, okay, alright. What the heck? Your shirt is so dirty.
Shirt is dirty. Behind the scenes.
I'm tired. And I still have a lot to go. I have to take out the garbage. You know, like all those little things. I have to pack, like, okay. Packing for your hair supplies in 3 ounce because you're trying not to put it underneath the airplane. Which, just doing that alone is probably worth it. But it's going to be annoying. I bought these things right here. These are 2 ounce from Harmon's when I went. And I have to fill all this stuff up with hair product. I don't even know what I'm doing with my hair. But for this week, it'll be interesting. And I made sure that I deep conditioned it, as you saw before. Next time you see me, I might be in our destination. Oh, I didn't even mention that it might be raining. There's like a 50% chance of it raining half of our trip.
Why is that funny to you?
It's not funny, but like 3 days it's sunny, and then 3 days it shows like a little lightning bolt, but then it says like 30-50% chance. But every day the weather's getting better, so it's like fingers crossed that we just have good weather the entire time. And that'll be all. So have a good night. I hope that we have safe travels. We have a good time. Hopefully these clips afterwards are really cool if I insert something, or there might be another video. Who knows? So see you next time. Love you. Peace out. Bye.
Hello, Ms. Kelly Rooster.